Hi, I'm Diane from Monzone. At Monzone, we understand how crucial it is for your business to maintain the integrity of your products during transportation. That's why we provide not only refrigeration and temperature control system, but also reliable after-sales support to keep your equipment running smoothly. Our experts handle maintenance and repairs major and minor problems using only genuine parts for long-lasting performance. Plus, our 24/7 support team is ready to respond to your urgent requirements, so your operations continue smoothly without interruptions. At Monzone, you're not only getting a product, you're getting reliable after-sales care for your temperature-sensitive products. Monzone supporting your business every step of the way.